Hello and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Victor Serra. I'm responsible of product in Bauer for the farming and agricultural company. First of all, we are importers of brands related to agriculture and farming. The main ones are Crone Amazon and Bauer. I'm the responsible of the product. And in our facilities are placed in Villa Martín de Campos in Palencia. And we have just opened a new office there with around 17 hectares, in which 12 and a half are for the demonstration and 4.5 hectares for the farming park. So you can see there the auditorium and the training center and all the facilities that are next to this building. To talk about Bauer, so you can understand the context. The Bauer Group is an Austrian company that is a leading company regarding wastewater treatment. And you can find it in different places, different countries as Slovakia and Germany, Austria, and you can find sale points, sale offices in 8 different countries. Here you can see some figures of the sales of in 2018, but more or less is the same figure for this same year. I'm going to talk about equipment for biogas plants, and mainly I'm going to focus in separators, pumps, and submersible mixers. Here you can see a little bit about the process in which where our equipment can fit in the chain of the production of biogas. As you can see here, inside the digestate tank, it can be included the mixer and submersible pump and separators and the solid mixer and of course the separator. Now I'm going to start talking about the mixers. We have different models of equipment, for example, depending on the power, between 4.5 to 15 kilowatts. And it has a specific design to work in enclosed tanks, as you can see on the right image. The propeller and the frame is in stainless steel in order to elongate the lifespan, and is designed and electronically and mechanically to work with temperatures that goes up to 65 degrees Celsius. Regarding the pumps, we have this model of pump that is called Magnum. One of them is the SM540. They give us a flow of 40 to 200 cubic meters per hour and a pressure that goes from 7 to 9.5 bars, and the Magnum with a flow of 30 to 180 cubic meters per hour, and the pressure goes from 3.7 to 4.5 bars. These are the kind of pumps that is a screw pump that it auto aspirates, that we mainly manufacture them for the digestate, and the power goes from 5.5 to 11 kilowatts, and the flow goes from 15 to 65 cubic meters per hour, and the pressure goes from 3 to 6 bars. Submersible pumps, that is about the same. The power of this engine goes from 4 kilowatts to 15 kilowatts, and the capacity of the pumping goes from 20 cubic meters per hour to 240 cubic meters per hour. And these pumps are the most appropriated to feed the separators. And here you can see different models of separators, and mainly these are the three main separators, but there are many others that you can find in our company. But these are the reference separators. The small one, for example, with a power of 2.2 kilowatts with a maximum efficiency of 14 cubic meters per hour. Then you can find the middle one with a 5.5 kilowatts power, and the efficiency, maximum efficiency is 20 cubic meters per hour. And the biggest one, the largest one, has a power that goes from 5.5 to 7.5 kilowatts with a maximum efficiency of 25 cubic meters per hour. We also have another mixers where we can mix the solids before to bring it to the digester. There are 3 models depending on the capacity you need. We have the Bio 2 and the 1 up to 20 cubic meters, the Bio DOS 2 from 23 to 50 cubic meters, and the Bio 3 from 33 to 100 cubic meters. So it depends on the necessities of each plant. And that's all.